Okay guys, today we're going to talk about, is your equipment worth repairing? How we figure out how equipment is worth repairing or not. So stay tuned. Alright, so how I figure out if equipment's worth repairing is parts value or price, labor price, all of it added up, how long it's going to take. Because, you know, in the industry, time is money. Look at this. I saw one sheet of ice here in Texas. Oh man, I'm going to fall. I'll check on the horse. And then I estimate the value of the machine. Like, to me, most string trimmers is not worth fixing it. Most two-strokes are not worth fixing. Because by the time you add labor cost and part cost, you don't add up. And sometimes it's the same with some of the riders, some of the push mowers. By the time you add up part cost, sorry guys, I'm trying to get through this icy mess. By the time you get through part costs and stuff, it's not worth fixing it. So it's best to look up your parts. All right, she's okay. I gotta get some hay for her. Look up your parts and then add up your labor cost, estimate your labor cost, and then you can see if it's worth. Now, some people get mad when you tell them it's not worth fixing, because they think, and this does happen, there is some shade tree mechanics that do this, and I'm 100% against this. It gives us all a bad name, and that is going, telling them that their stuff is bad, it's not worth fixing for minor fix, because it just needs something minor, keeping it, and fixing it, turn around and selling it, and they'll probably sell them something else too, so they're profiting more. That's bad business, guys. Don't do that. That's terrible. Never do that. So yeah, people do that. Don't do it. It's not worth it. I personally, if it's not worth fixing it, I want them to take it. I don't want their stuff. I have plenty of my own stuff, so I don't want their stuff. It still gets left behind on me sometimes, but yeah. Anyway guys, it's kind of my opinion on that, is you just add up part cost and labor cost and then the machine's value and see if it's worth it. Not the new value, the used value. Another reason for doing that is because if you get stuck with it, then you can at least try to get some of your money back over time after you sit on it for a while. Anyway guys, that's the end of this. I hope you learned something. I will see y'all in the next one. Later everyone.